Ikaw ba ay nag-aalala tungkol pa rin sa pera? You feeling mo you work hard but you are not earning the income that you deserve? Or nagtataka ka ba bakit yung mga iba ay parang pinagpapala, ikaw feeling mo trap ka? Hindi ka naman tamad. Alam mong concern? It's because nobody taught you a complete financial system. Kaya kung pagod ka na sa financial stress, tapusin mo tong video na ito because this is one of the most important video that you are going to watch. Hi there, this is Shinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. This is what I've realized for almost 2 decades of teaching people about money. People don't have really a money problem. They just don't have a clear financial system. Kasi kadalasan po nga, natututo tayo tungkol sa pera sa mga magulang natin, nakikita natin kung ano tinuro sa atin kung meron man. O mag-ipon ka, mag-invest ka, like for example, insurance o mag-start ka ng negosyo. Wala namang masama sa mga payong ganito. Ang problema lang, hindi siya kompleto. And the reality is this, without a system, people stay financially stressed. So over the years, I've realized financial freedom doesn't happen by accident. It happens by following a simple financial freedom system na tinatawag ko pong CHIP method. Ano ba tong CHIP method na ito? First thing is you should learn how to increase your income and build more income opportunities. Bakit po? Kahit na gusto mo mag-ipon pero kung wala kang kakayanan na kumita ng pera, limited ng income mo, ay mahihirapan ka. Do you agree? The second one is H, called handle. You should learn how to handle your money wisely. You got to develop the habits of savings, budgeting, and managing your money responsibly so that you won't get into debt. Kahit magaling ka mag-create, pero pag poor ka sa handling, ubus pa rin ang pera. Make sense? It doesn't stop there. Yung letter I naman, it's called invest. You got to learn how to invest for the future. Kahit na magaling ka mag-create, mag-handle, pero pag poor ka mag-invest, the reality is this. The moment you stop working, you stop earning, but you don't stop spending. Do you agree? So you got to learn how to grow your money para magkaroon ka ng long-term freedom. And last but not the least, kahit na magaling ka mag-create, mag-handle, mag-invest, but if you fail on the letter P, and what's letter P? That is to protect your wealth. Safeguard your finances. Bakit po? Reality is this. It took you a lifetime to earn the money. It took you a lot of sacrifice to save the money. But it only takes you one bad decision to lose all of your hard-earned money. Imagine mo, kung magkaroon ka lang ng critical illness, lahat ng ipon mo mapupunta lang sa bills and hospital. Do you agree? So, kailangan kumpleto po itong tinatawag na simple financial system or method in order for you to achieve financial freedom. Ito yung tinatawag na CHIP, create, handle, kahit magaling ka mag-create, mag-handle. Pag hindi ka marunong mag-invest, ubos. Kahit magaling ka mag-create, handle, invest, but poor ka sa protection, ubos ka pa rin. Kaya nga, alam nyo nangyayari, many people focus only on one part. Some work harder, the other ones don't save, so hindi siya complete. The CHIP method put all of these 4 pieces together in a simple roadmap that helps you to move from financial stress to financial freedom one step at a time. So I want you to imagine waking up one day, kung na-apply mo na tong CHIP method na to without worrying your bills, having savings that actually grow, na safe, investment that works for you while you are sleeping, and knowing that your family is protected. Alam mo, para sa akin, being able to help others because of your finances is one of the ultimate dream of every Filipino. For me, that's what financial freedom looks like. So now, you understand itong roadmap na ito. The next question I would like to ask is this: who is going to walk the journey with you? Alam mo, ang kagandahan dito ngayon, meron ka ng knowledge, meron ka ng awareness. Good siya. Pero alam mo, ang talagang pwedeng magbago sa iyo, sa finances mo, is implementation. Because implementation creates what we call as transformation. That's the reason why we built the TYL coaching community. Ano mga sasabi ng mga TYL members na po namin?
Nakikita ka lang namin sa YouTube, we're following you. Tapos ngayon, you're spending almost 2 hours already with us. So parang salamat talaga.
Kailangan din natin ng environment kagaya nito, community. So, we're learning from each other's experiences.
Yung mga sharings na naibigay din ng mga batchmates namin dito, very very useful siya kasi yung ibang experiences nila hindi mo naman na-experience, especially iba yung field na ginagalawan nila. So, yung doon pa lang may makukuha ka ng mga golden nuggets.
So inside our community, you will get monthly live coaching session, may step-by-step implementation, magkakaroon ka ng accountability partners, magkakaroon ka rin ng financial planning, investment guidance, and access to experienced mentors and tools and information in our secret box. And then may community na talagang who really help one another. So in reality, once you join our community, you're not buying information, you're joining a guided journey. So I want you to ask yourself and reflect right now. Tanungin mo na sarili mo, financially, what do you want to become over the next 5 years? Someone na nag-hope na mag-improve ang finances mo, or someone who intentionally builds financial freedom? The reality is this, your financial identity should change before your bank account will change. So right now, meron kang 2 paths or 2 options. Option number 1, join our group coaching session. This is best, yung TYL group coaching session. Magkikita tayo for 12 months. This is best for people who wants community, accountability, and monthly guidance. Pero meron ka pa ring second option. Ito naman tinatawag namin Financial Freedom Accelerator. Ito naman for people who are really serious. Kailangan mo ng personalized coaching, faster implementation, direct mentorship, and at the same time, you get everything sa TYL group coaching session. So sa totoo lang, titignan mo, both of them have the same proven system. Ang difference lang is the level of support. Yung isa group, yung isa personalized. Bakit ko ginagawa to? Kasi ang vision ko lang sa bawat mamamayang Pilipino is this: financial freedom for everyone, for every Filipino. Ang mission ko lang is to help every Filipino to overcome financial stress. Kaya kapatid, kung pagod ka na sa stress, this might be what you are looking for. But before we end, let me ask you this one question. What if after watching this video at wala kang ginawa, what do you think will change? If you continue doing what you've always done, where will you be? Imagine mo, 3 years, 5 years from now. Last year, ang problema mo pera. Next year, pag wala kang ginawa, problema mo pa rin, stress ka pa rin sa pera. 5 years from now, pera pa rin. So I want you to reflect, 5 years from now, sapat ba yung savings mo? May investment ka na ba? Will your family be more financially secure or magkakaroon ng peace of mind? The reality and the truth is, financial stress doesn't disappear on its own. It grows when you delay on taking action. Over the years, marami na ako namimit na pagkatapos ng session, sinasabi niya, "Iho, sana maaga-aga pa." I've never met anyone who says na, "Sana tinagalan ko pa." And the good news is, this is not an accident that you're watching this video. It's not too late for you to change your financial future. That's the reason why we want to invite you to our community. Together, we will help you to earn all you can, to save all you can, to invest all you can, to protect all you can, so that you can give all you can. This is more than learning about money. It's about building a life with less financial stress, with greater confidence, so that you will experience lasting financial freedom. At yan ang gusto ko para sa iyo. So the best time to start actually was years ago, and the second best time to start is today. The question right now that needs to be answered is not whether financial freedom is possible. Posibleng posible. The question is right now, are you ready to begin your journey? So if your answer is yes, we'd love to welcome you to the TYL family. Click the link below or just type TYL for you to get started.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.